welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I am so excited y'all are here. We're gonna talk about my first Hermes. How do you say it? Hermes. That's how you say it, guys. Hermes. I looked it up. So we're gonna talk about my first Hermes lipstick today, you guys. I've never tried the formula. I'm excited to try it. I just bought one because one, they're really pricey, and two, I want to know if I like it before I try other shades. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you're new here, welcome. And if you're back, welcome back, y'all. I invite you to subscribe. We talk about a lot of luxury beauty here, a lot of things new, a lot of things not so much, and all the things in between, and I would just love to have you here. Thank you to all who like and subscribe and comment and share. All of that just helps me so much as a content creator. I'm so thankful that you guys are here. Without further ado, let's look at this lipstick. I first want to show you this lipstick and tell you a little bit about it, as well as provide a swatch for you on my wrist, and then we're going to try it on. This lipstick is by Hermes. It's the 45 Rose Ombré Rouge Hermès Satin lipstick. Now, there are other shades and other other formulas with Hermes, but I decided to try this particular shade in this particular formulation. It retails for $72. I purchased mine on Nordstrom.com. It looks like it's already sold out on Nordstrom, but it does look available on Hermes.com. This shade is limited edition. When you open the case, it comes in this really Hermes box, and you open the case and it is in this beautiful classic styled Hermes box. It's orange, of course. Opening the box, you see it is in a small burlap pouch, and well, burlap light pouch. And taking it out, this particular lipstick is gorgeous. The packaging on this is just divine. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this H on the top with the gold. I love the maroon, and I love this really pretty blue sky blue. But opening the lipstick itself, it's really beautiful. It's just this, I purchased a very, very neutral shade because I wanted to be able to get a lot of wear out of it. Hermes name on the lipstick itself engraved into the lipstick. The packaging itself is magnetic and pretty sturdy. It doesn't feel like the magnet is going to give way or come open within a bag or anything like that. I wanted to also show you a swatch on the arm. I loved the cooler undertone. That I'm excited to see what it will look like on now. So let's try it on. All right, I took the cap off and just gonna show you again what it looks like here. So beautiful. So we're just gonna swatch this now on the lips and see what this looks like. I don't have anything. I had a little bit of clear gloss on, but that's kind of worn off. And now I'm just gonna go over it and we're just gonna see what it looks like. I'm really excited because lipsticks are just so personal, and I'm really excited to see how this looks. Okay, I need to just try it on. Didn't notice a scent or anything, but it has a slight floral. I mean, it's very light, super light. I can't really smell it when it's on. It almost has this like cooling sensation. I don't know if it's just me. It's probably just me, but I feel like it has this like cooling sensation on the lips. I don't know what it is. I love this shade. It's a cool toned pink for me, kind of a neutral cool tone pink, and it's so different than anything I have, honestly. I'm usually leaning towards those browny undertones, that rosy brown. I love that. So, but this is something so different and so unique for me personally. I think it's very pretty, very neutral, everyday shade for me. I will probably be getting a lot of wear out of this. Now, I'd love to try more shades from this line. I just have a hard time picking one. There's so many, and I just want to be smart about which ones I pick because they are so pricey. This one was $72. I really think it's nice. It feels really good, the formula. It feels like a lip balm actually on my lips. It doesn't feel It feels silky smooth. When someone asks me, I know I'm gonna get this question, is it worth $72, Jen? Is it worth $72? Probably not, honestly. I'm just being very honest and upfront with you. But do I love I just love the intricacies and the delicacies of the products themselves. I think that this is a beautiful piece. I think it is, the packaging's so unique and different. It has the Hermes symbol on the front. It's just so neat. And I love that it came in this really cool packaging. I will be saving this packaging, of course. And I personally am excited about it. Things like this bring me so much joy, and I enjoy speaking with y'all about it, and it's just something that I love connecting with people on. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm excited about my first Hermes lipstick. I've been looking at these for a long time, and I just really wanted to try it. I really wanted to see what the hype was all about. Do I think it's beautiful? Do I think that the lipstick feels good? Yes. These are first impressions. I will continue to use this. I will continue to test it for you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram too. I use a lot of the pieces that I share here on my stories. I do get readies with me frequently throughout the week. I love doing those. I love connecting with you through direct messaging and things like that. So come see me over there if you like those sorts of things as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you again. I'll leave my latest video right here, so I'll see you over there. Bye, y'all.